Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. Today we're gonna make a super easy dish on the Pit Boss Savannah Onyx edition, and we're making smoked blackened shrimp tacos. We got some beautiful shrimp. We're gonna season the shrimp, throw them on the smoker. They're going to be delicious. I can't wait to show it to you. So let's get started. Alright, today we are using 31 to 40 count shrimp. These have been peeled, deveined, and tails removed, but they are raw shrimp. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add to these shrimp about 2.5 tablespoons of melted butter. Just like that. Mix them up a little bit. Now we will use this cookie sheet with a rack on top. The sheet is just to help with cleanup. We'll go ahead and place these shrimp right here on the rack. Uniformity is not super important, just as long as none of them are on top of the other ones. And this is about 2 pounds of these shrimp. These shrimp are a perfect taco size. You wouldn't really want to go much larger than that. Otherwise you're going to have to kind of dice your shrimp up a little bit. Alright, there we go. And now for my seasoning, I'm going to mix together equal parts of the Pit Boss original blackened Saskatchewan seasoning. This stuff is really good and has quite a bite to it. And a traditional seafood favorite, Old Bay, but this is Old Bay blackened seasoning. It's gonna have a little bit more heat, and that's gonna produce a delicious spice for these tacos. So we'll go about 2 tablespoons here, and about 2 tablespoons here. And we can make more if needed. Just kind of mix that together. And there we have our mixed seasonings. So now I'll just come up and sprinkle these delicious buttery shrimp. And we are going to do both sides on these, so don't use all of your seasoning at once. You could make your own blackening seasoning for these as well. There's some great recipes online for that. I just happen to love these 2 seasonings. I think that both Old Bay and Pit Boss have done a great job creating something that's just magical on seafood here. Alright, I'm going to flip these over. And we'll get this other side with that blackening seasoning. Alright, there we go. These shrimp are ready for the smoker. Alright, now one thing you're going to need to know when you're smoking shrimp is, just like with any kind of method of cooking, shrimp cook really quickly. And especially on a pellet grill smoker combo where you're trying to get some smoke flavor imparted to the shrimp, they are going to cook fairly fast, so you want to cook as low as possible, at least for a little while, just so that they do get some of that smoke. For me today, I'm just smoking on the low setting, which is going to be about 170 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit on the Savannah. Most Pit Boss models have what's called either a smoke setting or a low setting. You want to use that setting. If you're using a different type of pellet grill, just about any pellet grill you can buy is going to have like that initial startup low smoke setting, to set it to that. So I'm going to put these in for about 30 minutes or so, but I am going to come and check periodically because there's nothing worse than like overcooked rubbery shrimp. Today's pellet of choice is the Pit Boss Competition Blend pellet, which is my favorite wood pellet for just all-around, all-purpose cooking. If you're new to pellet grilling, get the Competition Blend. You cannot go wrong. It's literally good on anything. All right, so here on the rack, directly on the grates, and that's it. I'll be back to check on these in just a few minutes, so I'll see you then. All right, that was timed absolutely perfectly, because at exactly 30 minutes, my shrimp are ready to pull off, so take a look. Woo. Man, the smell coming out of that smoker, oh my gosh. There's gonna be so much flavor in those shrimp. All right, one more time, just look at the color of those shrimp. Oh my gosh, they look amazing and they smell incredible. You know what, I'm gonna try one real quick. Oh, holy smokes. Woo! I can't wait to have that on a taco. That's delicious. All right, we'll start with 2 flour tortillas, and then to that go those beautiful, beautiful blackened shrimp. Don't skimp out on your shrimp, people, or don't shrimp out. We'll follow that up with a nice little blend of some white cheeses here. Got a little Monterey Jack in there, a little pepper jack, all the jacks. Next, some nice fresh iceberg lettuce. I love iceberg on tacos. Just appreciate that crunch. I'm gonna add just a little bit of kind of a spicy yum yum sauce. And that is it. There you have it. Look at that. I mean, tell me that just doesn't look amazing. Super simple, incredibly delicious smelling. I cannot wait to take a bite. All right, I'm so excited to try these tacos. I mean, I already had one of the shrimp, as you saw. Holy smokes, delicious. Cannot wait to try it on the taco with these other delicious toppings. So here we go. Smoked, blackened shrimp tacos. It's one of the best seafood tacos I've ever had. Hands down. My favorite part about it is the mix of the taste of the smoke with the heat. You can definitely taste the smoke from those competition one pellets, and you get the heat from those blackening seasonings, and a little bit from that yum yum sauce as well. I'd go so far as to say, holy smokes, these are delicious. Well, I'm gonna bring these inside and eat probably several of them because you can never eat too many tacos, am I right? But thank you once again for tuning in to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. If you like this video, make sure that you click the thumbs up to like it, and then make sure that you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. That'll help you to be one of the first people to know as soon as we post new, delicious, exciting outdoor cooking content. And if you're like me and you love tacos, you gotta check out these 2 taco videos. I've done these kind of tacos here on the channel, and you gotta check them out. They were absolutely delicious. I think you'll love them if you try them. So check those out, and I'll see you next time. Oh baby, bring those shrimp to me.